This one is $2.99.
Yeah.
Very rare. Yeah, $2.99.
Morning. How are you? Doing good. How much is the bag? How much? 5 for it.
What you need a duffel for, brother?
What's up?
What you need a duffel for, man?
What? Put stuff in it. What else am I doing?
Hey, the best answer all day.
Sometimes the simplest answer is the best answer, right? I'll give you $5 for it, man.
Bro.
You guys have a great day. There wasn't a lot of yard sales today because of the weather. It was going to be so bad. They're calling for really bad storms in the afternoon. So I decided to pivot. I did something which I normally don't do, and that's go to a estate sale. So wait till you see what we find here.
But video games, I've got Disney memorabilia. This one is $2.99.
Yeah.
Very rare. Yeah, $2.99.
How much are...
You wanted some V8, you wanted some posters, right?
No, I wouldn't. This would stay away. Wait a minute.
You know how much the...
I'll bring them tomorrow.
How much are the items?
Pull them out and see which ones that you like. I'm gonna bring them tomorrow.
Alright, maybe I'll trade numbers with you.
Yeah, I'll bring them tomorrow.
Is there a price on? You said.
Just grab what you want and come to me for pricing.
What about these comments?
So when I pulled out this tube, it actually had a return address on it from Heritage Auction House. If you guys don't know, Heritage Auction House is a major auction house that deals with artwork, deals with pop culture stuff. So that means that in that tube, it could be something really good.
All of them.
All of them? You want them all?
Maybe.
Sorry.
Medium.
What do you have on the pictures? These ones here, and then also this poster.
I'll do $100.
For both.
50?
This whole stack of 8x10s is from the Great Mouse Detective from the 80s. These are actually movie promo 8x10s. They usually go for like 10 to 15 bucks a piece on eBay. What'd you do with them? We said 100 for it all, huh? I may just do it.
This is an extremely rare poster. This was last sold for $1,200 online. This is an extremely rare sell. This retails for like $1,300 online. Fantasia sell, book sell. I'll do $299 on that one, and I'll do $250 on this one. But these are going to be a little bit expensive. But I'll give you a deal. I'll let you make some money on it.
Where do you have the comps from on those?
I'm sorry?
You said that that's what they were selling for online?
Yeah.
What site were your comps?
Comps, I think this one was like $1,200.
Yeah, but what site were you using?
You look at eBay, look what people are asking for and stuff like that.
No, I mean, asking, okay.
Yeah, but I mean, again, I'll make a deal on them. I mean, they're extremely rare.
Gotcha. You find anything?
Yeah, some Disney glasses. What you know about these?
These are McDonald's. These are sets usually go for about 20 bucks.
The set?
Yeah, they're like McDonald ones.
Yeah.
Can I put this stuff over back?
$1.
How much is the Xbox stuff?
I'll do $50 on that.
Does this come with games too, or just the system?
Well, I think there's a bunch of games on there.
Oh, okay.
I'm not buying another piece.
What's up?
Look at this one, it's heavy, boy.
And how much are those puppets?
I think he's
got those.
He's got those right there.
More rare. You know the drill, right? They see it on eBay.
Thank you.
So can I make a pile over here?
Yeah, I got you.
I saw a big thing of VHS.
Yeah, I don't think he has it here. Hey,
I'm
man.
bringing them tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Those are from my. It's such a small sale
Gotcha.
that I have to bring stuff out of my own collection, and I
Okay.
completely forgot, and they'll be here tomorrow morning. No gas on this one. I put this all together in less than a week. Just get what you want. I'll make a deal, okay?
Did you find any other good posters in there?
This one looks kind of interesting. No, but it looks pretty old.
Oh yeah, it's 70s.
Yeah.
Looks like they're 60s. Yeah.
It's in pretty rough condition. This
Yeah,
is
but they
kinda
still could sell though.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Might even light up
Psychedelic.
in a black light, I bet you. Not maybe not even intentionally, you know.
Yeah,
That's
Yeah.
some damage.
Yeah.
Yeah. What you got on this one?
I'll do $10, dude. I mean, it's damaged. I'm not gonna...
Yeah, it's damaged to heck, but I'll do 10 on it.
What do you have in these glasses?
You 20?
Yeah. I'll pass on that one.
10?
Oh, look.
Accidental black light post.
That was everybody that post
Oh, I
books that you
didn't
just.
see it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
$40.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah, I found it.
That's cool,
Kind
man.
of cool looking. I actually found it exactly it's from Australia.
What's it going for?
48 from Australia.
That's cool, man. It's one of my favorite Disney movies.
Yeah.
Fantasia.
It's pretty cool looking.
Yeah, man. It's definitely cool. Nice. Is he doing $10 for that for you?
No, you want 25 for it.
Oh,
Like, if you
25.
said 10, I wouldn't even keep looking at
Yeah.
it. But like 25 into to make 50 after everything.
Problem with me.
Yeah,
I have you. I will bring them tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm not sure where I'll be, so I'll shoot you. Hey, nice to meet you, man.
You too, man.
Yeah, keep it real.
Thank you, man. Hi, boss, man.
How much you want to pay for it, man? Negotiate. Dance with me a little bit. Jesus Christ, just a walk away.
Come on, man. It's not your first rodeo.
Yeah, that's your first rodeo? You got a whole pile over
Just throw it in
here.
your pile.
Throw them on the pile. Let's negotiate.
What? I just added this stuff here. So far,
125?
I'll do 125. 120 and 5.
The dinosaur's cool.
Yeah. All right, so I just got back from the estate sale. We paid $125 for all this stuff, but I did pay up. But let me explain to you why. Let's go through some of these items. Oh, I picked up this Canon. No one saw it. This is the Power Shot. We should get about $75 to $100 for this. I just need to test out, but it looks in great condition. And then this. All right, and then we found the Sony CyberShot right here. This should probably get us $75 to $100 real fast. For the Sony CyberShot, there's about 120 lists on eBay, and there's over 300 sold. So for everyone that's listed, 3 are selling, put it that way, guys. Just between those two cameras, we will make money on this deal. We should get about $200 for both cameras, some of that ballpark. All right, so I picked up these little crystal pieces. They are from the Princess House. They didn't really look like they went for much online, maybe like $10 a piece, but I got 3 of them. So these probably be good to put on whatnot, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But people have been asking me some glass stuff, so pick these up. Saw this Juicy Couture container, and there's actually a pair of Michael Kors glasses inside of it. So I haven't looked these glasses up, but that's a nice come up. I mean, this case should be at least $10 just for the case alone. Found this. All right, so the last one of these actually sold for $20. So I just know the name. Name you guys want to look out for. If you guys aren't familiar with that name, keep an eye out for that. All right, guys, and the rest of the stuff I bought, these are promo photos from the 1980s from The Great Mouse Detective. So I'll probably put these in some of my Disney whatnots. I figured they'd be a nice little pickup. We also got this lithogram from Lion King. And then these Fantasia prints as well. The whole section of these. And then we got the celebration of the mouse. And then I got this book, guys. This book right here, this hardcover Star Wars book, this thing goes for like $40. So we're gonna do really, really well. But here's the wild card. I actually got this too. A storybook. It's gotta be old. This is copyright 1931. I gotta look that one up. All right, so this is where it's just better sometimes to be lucky than good. This right here, it looks like it's from 1931. Looks like it's the first edition for the paperback book for it, potentially first edition for it. And I've seen comps anywhere in this condition for like 30 or 50 bucks. So might be a good come up on that one. I'm gonna hide out their address, but this is what got my attention. So I saw this here, but I saw this address right here. Now I'm very familiar with this address. This address is actually from Texas, and if I'm not mistaken, that's Heritage Auctions address. And then I saw written on the container was HA Auction. So if you guys aren't familiar, HA stands for Heritage Auction House. And they actually have an app that you can go on and search their previous auctions. So I was able to get the name of the actual print. I was able to go in there and look. This piece was called Paint the World. I've seen Paint the World pieces go for like 30 bucks all the way up to like 150. So it was worth the risk, but I think there's more than one print in here. I just pulled that one out. I saw that. That was enough information for if I can get a good deal on this, I'm gonna pick it up. Even though I'm not a big fan of buying posters, but I have all those other Disney ones, so why not just put it together? So we will see what happens. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. If I've shown you any type of value with these videos, please make sure you like and subscribe. It really does help with the channel, especially this second channel we're trying to grow. Make sure you guys check out our upcoming Whatnot. So I'll put a link down below for that Whatnot coming up here. But until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep flipping and punching.